Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Not much happened. We had a slight break above imminent resistance at $1,900. But this could still be the B wave of the wave 3, but it's getting a little bit too high now. As I said to you, break above 1900 is not official or formal invalidation, but it will make it quite unlikely that this is still a B wave. So price action at the moment as we're heading into the weekend favors now a reset of this B wave a little bit higher, which is has been, as I said to you, the expected scenario should a break above $1,900 occur. So that's basically, let's say, the scenario in which we are probably just morphing into. It's sort of just a bit blurry at the moment because we're really still in this scenario that we talked about today, where we did expect price to head a little higher. It did that, but it then broke above 1900, which was basically a break above the the relevant resistance for this scenario. So as I said to you, a break above that level would indicate that the B wave is now resetting higher, the main B wave. And as you know, if you've been watching the previous videos, this was one of the scenarios we talked about, that we are in this larger Y wave of wave 2, and the Y wave consists of an A wave down, a B wave up, and a C wave down. And I didn't want really that B wave to be extended because it just means more pain, it will take longer and so on. But of course, it's the market. Who's the boss? So the market always decides. And if this B wave really extends, then what are the levels we could be looking at? So I just give you a bit of a guideline here. What is likely sort of is, in this particular instance, the area starting from 1940, which is the 61.8 extension. That would sort of be the very first target level. Then $2,000, the 1-to-1 ratio, certainly very relevant. Then maybe still here 2040, the 1.236 extension. The 1.618 would be a bit too high in this instance. Just looking at the context and everything, it will also quite substantially break above the X wave high, which in this scenario would then probably be a bit too high. But yeah, I mean, this shift now has made it a bit more likely to reset the B wave, but it wouldn't necessarily mean this is now bullish. It just means a bit of a stronger bounce at this stage, as long as we only see 3 waves. So basically the idea is that this was probably a wave W, X, and the Y wave is going up in the B wave, yeah? And then we have in the Y wave, so W, X, Y. In this Y wave, we have here an A, B, C. Yeah, so this is a 3-wave move. If we get a 4 and a 5, it will add much more weight to the idea that we could have bottomed already. And then we're waiting for a 3-wave pullback for a next pullback entry point. Okay, but that's a story that hasn't been written yet, so we don't really want to worry about that too much. At the moment, what we see is we have a slight break above resistance. Need to see how the daily candle closes, and a break above 1918 would formally invalidate this immediate downside structure and would then put even more weight on the higher B wave. And as I said to you, it would most likely unfold in an A, B, C in larger B. But let's see how we are sliding into Saturday. What else is there to mention? Not much. It's just really boring price action at the moment. You know that. And it just needs patience. As I said in the Bitcoin video, be aware that here micro counts are going to move and morph a lot. We are not in an impulse at the moment. We're in a correction, especially of a larger degree, and especially one that is so boring like this one. As you can see, I mean, just look back. It's been a lot of up and down, yeah, and basically no clear direction. A very directionless market, which is just stating the obvious. And here we just need to wait for the first impulse to give us a clear sense of direction. And at the moment, we just seems to be morphing again into the larger B wave, which will mean more pain, which means an extended correction. You know that B waves are extremely difficult. So it's a very difficult and tough market at the moment. And now on the weekend, it will probably be more boring again. unfortunately. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the next major impulse. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.